everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something I saw first on Instagram and then I've watched a couple of videos on this, but people aren't really talking about it, and I found it kind of interesting, so I want to try it. It was developed by makeup artist Sarah Hill and it's called Yoga Skin. And it's doing your foundation in a way that you have that lit from within look. So, Sarah used foundation, 60% foundation, and then 40% was a mixture of strobe cream, illuminating drops, and facial oil. I'm not going to do all that, but I am going to use foundation. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. And I'm going to mix with it some illumination drops, and this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea drops. And then the oil I'm going to use comes from my sample stash Mondays, and this is Monu Skin Firming Fiji Facial Oil. So it's a firming oil. So I thought I would try this. I got a little bowl to mix it all in. I don't want to mix it on my hand. First I'm going to use my primer, and I'm using the IPKN New York Radiance Cream Primer. Let's see if you can see that. I'm not sure if that's focusing. This is in my project pan, my 19 products to use up in 2019. And it is a radiance primer, so I'm going to go ahead and start with this. I'm going to put this all over my skin, my face. Okay, I'm all primed and ready to go. Now, I'm going to mix all of these lovely things together in this bowl, and then it says to apply it with your fingers, so we're going to give it a shot. Let's put some foundation in. I think I'm going to mix up more than I need. We will see. So I put about that much foundation in there, and then I put 4 drops of the Radiance drops, and then I'm not going to put a whole lot of oil. I like this skin oil, but I really don't care for oily. Can you see? Yeah. Yeah, whoa, that might have been too much. Okay, let me grab a makeup wipe. Okay, I'm going to take just a brush and mix all that together. I don't know if that was 60 and 40, but it is what it is. Let's see. Thought that might lighten the foundation a little. Not really. Okay. I haven't put my foundation on with my fingers in a long time. Alright. I definitely didn't need all of this, but that's okay. I would say if you're going to try this yourself, use half the amount I use, because there is plenty left in there. But you know what? I think it's not too bad. It is a little shiny. I'm going to zoom you guys in. There we go. Can you see? It's not a bad looking finish. I'm going to go ahead and let's zoom you back right there. I'm going to go ahead and finish doing my makeup, and I will be right back and show you how it looks with everything done. Okay, here is the finished look. The only thing I have left to do is I'm going to put on a setting spray, and I'm using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I'm going to set my look. There we go. I like how this looks. I didn't use a whole lot of the Radiance Drops, and I didn't use a whole lot of oil. I did notice by using the oil, it does thin out your foundation a little bit, so I did not get a full coverage foundation. You could probably build it up. I got more of a sheer to medium coverage, but I'm okay with that. I think it actually looks good. I was very skeptical. I did not think this was going to turn out nice, and I kind of proved me wrong. I might start doing my foundation like this more often. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you're new to my channel, I would really love it if you would subscribe. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.